Hey guys, welcome back to Tennessee Smokin' and Grillin'. I'm Dustin. Today we're going to be doing the smoked queso dip. I've had a few requests to do it. It looks really good and I'm pretty excited to try it out. Alright, here's what we're going to be using today. We've got a 16 ounce block of Velveeta, in a rotel, some fresh cilantro, a couple of jalapenos from the garden. We've got this maple sausage links, got a packet of mild cheddar Monterey, Mexican style blend, and we're going to shred up some smoked Gouda. Alright, first thing you do is you get your jalapenos. I'm going to go ahead and get them chopped up. I went ahead and de-seeded them, because I just don't want as much heat. So, anyhow, let's go ahead and chop them up. Next, we'll go ahead and chop up our cilantro. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and put a little olive oil in your pan. We're going to throw our cilantro and our jalapenos in. We're going to let them saute just for a minute, and then we're going to throw our meat to it. Alright, it's about fully cooked. Let's go ahead and take it off, and then we're going to start mixing everything together. Alright, next thing we do, I got my pan here. Go ahead and throw my meat out. Here's some smoked Gouda cheese. I didn't chop up the whole block. It's already got a little bit of a smoke flavor, so I'm going to use too much of it. Got that. 8 ounce packet of the Mexican cheese. Can of rotel. Got our Velveeta. And my Monterey Jack. Alright, looks really good. Next thing we're going to do is take it out to the smoker. Okay, we got the smoker up to temp, about 300, 310. Go ahead and take this and set her in. Alright, we're going to come back and check in about 15-20 minutes or so, give it a stir, and let her keep going. Alright, it's been 15 minutes. We're going to go ahead and check it out, see if we need to stir it. Oh, it's looking great. So, pull this out a little bit, give it a stir. Alright, we got her mixed in pretty good. I'm just going to put her back and let her sit. Check on her every 15 minutes or so till we're done. I'm betting about another 30 minutes and it should be just right. Okay, one thing I did do, I wasn't planning on doing, but I decided it might be a good idea. I went ahead and put one of my smoke tube in there to give it just a little bit of an extra smoky flavor. I did it at about the 20-minute mark, and it should throw a little smoke in there enough to make a difference. All right, it's been in there about 40 minutes total. Man, that's looking pretty good to me. Said about 5 more minutes and I think we're going to be done. Alright, it's been a total of 45 minutes and I'm going to call that done, and I'm going to call that a win. That looks great. Let's get her in the kitchen, try it out. Alright, there it is. Look at it. This is creamy and oh, it looks great. Now it's scorching hot, so I went ahead and set me a little bite on a chip here to try it out. Here it goes. It's got the, gosh, that's good. It's got a real good smoky flavor, so I think the burner tube, or that smoke tube, was a good idea. But turned out perfect. Everybody in the party's gonna love it. So there it is. All right, guys, that was it. Thank you again for watching. I can't begin to tell you honestly how good that queso is. It was so good. You can taste everything we put in there, all the way from the maple in the sausage down to the cilantro to the jalapenos. It was just so good. It's simple to make, very, very easy. Just a few ingredients and put it all together, and it works out so good. So, hey, thank you again for watching. I'm still trying to grow my channel, so like and subscribe if you can, share, and I'm trying to do 1 to 2 good cooks a week. We'll keep trying to do it. So if y'all keep watching, I'll keep cooking. Thank y'all.